Oi, what's going on, Tezos fans? It's Mac from Cripstar, and today I want to talk to you about Here and Now, The Passage. Here and Now is an immersive NFT experience that is meant to blow your mind. So, anyways, yes, so Here and Now will blow your mind. It is an NFT experience. It's browser-based. You go in, you can see art galleries, and it's all very creative, very interlapped. As time has gone by, it's slowly evolved into one of the best art galleries I have seen in pretty much all of the NFT art galleries ever. It's one of a kind. There's nothing like it. You just got to try it and see what it is, because it's really hard to explain exactly what it is. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys a few videos for Here and Now in this episode, kind of get your mind wrapped around what the experience entails. Let's go ahead and talk about Here and Now, and we'll talk about exactly what the past was, which I told you there was Here and Now 1, 2, and 3. So basically, Here and Now 4 is going to be released sometime in February. In order to go ahead and get the experience, you're going to need a ticket. These tickets will be done in the form of planets that will be sort of generated by Mac2E2E and the sort of experience that you have to go through in order to go ahead and mint that generative art. This isn't actually generated by Mac2E2E. Well, it's generated him. He creates like the back end programming and stuff like that. So basically you're going to go through the passage and you're going to make different decisions, and at the end those decisions will determine the percentage of what kind of characteristics that your planet will have. And then coming up in Here and Now 6, I believe, they're going to basically have an individual experience for each user depending on which planet you have. So you can actually walk through your own planet. They're going to basically take all the statistics, all the data, the percentages of the characteristics from your NFT, and then use that to sort of generate the Here and Now experience number 6. So that's really, really exciting. If you want to go ahead and get involved and get one of these mint passes for the passage, then you need to go ahead and check to make sure you haven't gotten one of the pixel token airdrops. This was done by, if you own one of the previous passes for Here and Now. You could also gotten these passes if you own some certain artist art, and there's one artist on a FX hash that you can own. And then if you own like one of, what is it right here? So if you own this one right here, the Elysian FX hash, or if you own the Dreaded Elevator or the Pseudo Coin. So all these different ones will get you access. Oh, this is utility is expired. Sorry, this one's expired. This is expired. Sorry. So this includes a special utility regarding edition 4. Okay, it looks like this one, you get an airdrop if you own this token. So you can go and buy this one and you get a token. And it looks like, I don't know what the utility is exactly. It looks like this one doesn't actually get you into the tower, but I'm not sure. You can check on the Discord channel. This Pixel Enter token definitely gets you in. This gets you into the whitelisted group, which opens on the 26th. So you can use this to go ahead and get into the whitelisted group so you can experience the passage and see all the cool, twists and turns that Beats and his team have added. Also, you can get this Elysian hash if you want to get on the Greenlist, which is the 27th, I believe. The 27th, you can purchase one of these on the secondary market. And if you're on the Greenlist, I want to say with the Greenlist, you also get a discount. Oh, sorry, you don't get a discount, but you can get it a day earlier if you own this Elysian FX hash. And it costs right now about, if you look at FX hash, it costs about 3.8 on the secondary market. So if you want to get into Here and Now a little bit early, then I would recommend getting one of these Elysian FX hash things, and then you can go ahead and get on the green list. But actually that is probably the most costly way. It might be easier just to purchase one of these things on the secondary market right now. It might be the easiest way to get access. And then if you have one of these, you can, it's 6 Tez. So it looks like it's, I don't know which one's cheaper, honestly. Yeah, this is probably still might be the best way. Anyways, yep, that's how you get onto the whitelist. So this whitelist is basically tomorrow, and you need to make sure you purchase this ASAP, because or else you won't be put on the whitelist list. Okay, so make sure you purchase this ASAP in the next 24 hours, or purchase this one, Elysian FX hash, in the next 24 hours, and then you can get on the green list. And the green list again is on the 27th. The green list costs 15 Tez to go ahead and generate the Mac2E2E planet, and this one, with this one, with the whitelist, you can do from tomorrow, and that only costs 12 Tez. So it's a little bit cheaper if you have this pixel one, when it only costs 6 Tez. So each one, yeah, there's only like 0.8 Tez difference, I think. I mean, my math isn't great, but I think there's only a 0.8 Tez difference. So what's going to happen is you're going to create this generative NFT, right? In the future, you're going to be able to go to the moon for this next Here and Now 4. Then the Here and Now 5 is actually going to take place on like a shuttle or like on the way to your planet. So, and then Here and Now 6 is going to be on your planet itself. So they're going to use, like I said, the generative qualities of your planet to go ahead and generate a world for you or a room for you on this planet. It's very exciting. Let's go ahead and show the Here and Now artist announcements and get you all hyped up for the new release. All right, I hope you enjoyed that. It looks very exciting. I'm extremely excited. I'm going to try this out tomorrow. I also want to kind of touch on a few of the artists, especially some of the musicians in Here and Now. I really love some of the music to like preview tapes I showed you in this episode. You would have heard a lot of Aston Archer's music. He's one of my favorite Tezos artists, musicians, and you can see his Twitter account right here. I just want to give him a shout out. I've collected most of his music on Hen, as well as I think it's the radio platform for Tezos. I've collected most of his music on those platforms, and I use it sometimes in my YouTube videos. So I really recommend following him. He has really cool music, a really humble guy. I can give a shout out to Beats. He's the creator behind Here and Now. Him and his team, he goes out and searches for the artists and he builds the team and then kind of creates the worlds that you see when you enter Here and Now. I do want to show one more promo video before I go ahead and end this. So let's go ahead and check out the Hen evolution video.
My name is Beats and I'm the creator of Here and Now, an immersive art experience that lives on the Tezos blockchain and works with established and emerging artists. So we've had 3 editions with Here and Now, and we're now gearing up for the 4th one. Edition 1 was a live film experience, an observational documentary that was shot